Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. My dear friends, today I am going to take the daily current affairs UPSC prelims and mains focus, and the topic today I am going to discuss with you all about the Arcanaut. This Arcanaut topic, it is there in the news. Okay, so what exactly this topic deals with, that is what we need to understand first. Okay, it is nothing but this topic is related to Arcanaut. It is going to arrest the growth of cancer cells, and this topic is related to GS2 subtopic health. Now there is a book which named as titled Arcanaut. Okay, so Arcanaut, it consists of, okay, it says that this book has said that it consists of aracholine, remember this word, aracholine hydrobromide. Okay, this Arcanaut consists of this aracholine hydrobromide. So this is going to, this aracholine hydrobromide, that is the part of Arcanaut, it is going to help in the arrest of cancer cells. Okay, so it is found to arrest the growth of cancer cells. And recently there is a study which has been done. There was a study which is done at the Winship Cancer Institute, Cancer Institute of Emory University, Atlanta, the US. Okay, in this there was a recent study which is done by taking Arcanaut, and they get to know that Arcanaut consists of aracholine hydrobromide. This is helping to arrest the growth of cancer cells. Now let me discuss in brief about this. Okay, so prelims point of view, you should know what is the function of Arcanaut and how Arcanaut is going to help. Okay, good. Now let me see the key points related to this. Recent study, as I have said you, which is done at the Winship Cancer Institute, aracholine hydrobromide is found to arrest the growth of cancer cells. जो कैंसर सेल्स इंसान के अंदर जो पैदा होते हैं उसको वो ख़त्म करते हैं. Okay, the cancer cells which is produced or which is developed in the body, it is going to clear those cells. Okay, it is going to arrest those cancer cells. That is a major function of this aracholine hydrobromide. And now aracholine hydrobromide inhibited the activity of enzyme. It consists of the enzyme, which consists of the enzyme, that is aracholine hydrobromide. It consists of the enzyme. Okay, it consists of the enzyme ACAT1. It consists of the enzyme. What is the name of the enzyme? ACAT1. Okay, it is, okay, I am just writing the full form of that, that is acetyl CoA, acetyl transferase. Okay, that is the meaning. Okay, it consists of the enzyme ACAT1. I hope you may be knowing what do you mean by enzyme. If you don't know, see children, enzyme is nothing but, for an example you should know, let me take a cycle. Okay, a cycle. Okay, if you have to run the cycle, there is a chain, right? There is a chain. Let me take one more cycle. Even it also consists of a chain. Let me say he is a person A and he is person B. These both are traveling, but person A reaches the destination faster, but this reaches the destination slower. Why? What is the reason? Because here he is going fast due to he is applying a lubricant. Okay, let me say chain oil. I hope you know this. chain oil जो रहता है वो डाल के है चेन पे, तो जिसकी वजह से चेन फ्री है, द चेन इज फ्री, so that he is running cycle faster. But here he has not applied the lubricant. He has not applied the lubricant. जो चेन है उसको वो ऑयल नहीं डाला है, जिसकी वजह से उसके ऊपर थोड़ा रस्ट वगैरह पड़ा है. ओके, so now what happens, this enzyme, this is nothing but we called as enzyme. Okay, so this chain oil is nothing but enzyme. So what is doing, it is just making the reaction faster. Okay, I hope you have understood what do you mean by enzyme. जो enzyme है so उसका function क्या है, जो reaction हो रहा है उसको fast करना है. So chain oil is acting like an enzyme to run the cycle faster, right? Similarly, even here also this is the enzyme. Okay, this is the enzyme which helps to make the reaction faster. Okay, अरिकोलाइन हाइड्रोब्रोमाइड, it consists of the enzyme. ये enzyme क्या कर रहा है, जो भी reaction हो रहा है उसको fast कर रहा है. It is making the reaction to happen faster. Okay, which leads, okay, now let me come to the major function of this enzyme. What is the enzyme is doing, it is going to reduce the cancer cell proliferation. Okay, the major function is what, it is going to reduce the cancer cell proliferation and also the tumor growth in mice, and also the tumor growth in mice. Is this clear? So remember, this alkaline hydrobromide, it consists of the enzyme ACAT1. It is going to reduce the cancer cell proliferation and also the tumor growth in mice. And most of you may be not knowing the key points. What do you mean by proliferation? Okay, see my dear friends, proliferation is nothing but, I hope you may be knowing the concept. Like example, let me take, if any part, if it has to grow rapidly, okay, and hence it's going to make a new part. Okay, अगर से आपकी body में, in case in your body, if any part, if it has to grow rapidly, okay, in our body, if any part has to grow rapidly, so that it is going to make new parts, it helps to make the new parts or cells or birds or offsprings, that is known as proliferation. So reduce cancer cells proliferation, जो कैंसर के सेल्स जो हमारी बॉडी में रैपिडली जो ग्रो हो रहे हैं उसको वो रोकते हैं. इट्स गोइंग टू स्टॉप those cell divisions, or it is going to stop the rapid grow cells, I mean to say cancer cells. That is a major function. And next is tumor growth in mice. Okay, tumor growth is nothing but, in case, what is the meaning of tumor here? Tumor is nothing but, let me take one example. You have one part, okay, how much is needed in our body, how much it is needed in our body, if it is growing more than that, अगर से हमारी बॉडी में कोई पार्ट excessively grow हो रहा है, okay, in our body, if any cell, if it is dividing and growing excessively in the body, that is known as tumor. The part which grows excessively, means more than what is required, that is known as tumor. Okay, it's going to reduce even this. So what is the major function of enzyme? It is going to reduce the cancer cells proliferation and also the tumor growth in mice. I hope the concept is clear. Yes. Next point, let me discuss here the antioxidant activity of Arconaut. Okay, it may help in the active role. Of DNA damage. Okay, so here we have an antioxidant. This antioxidant activity, what it is doing, it is playing an active role to cure or to repair the DNA which has damaged in cancer cells. Okay, it is going to perform the repairing function. It is going to perform the repairing function. Okay, the DNA which has damage in the cancer cells, it is going to repair this antioxidant. And also remember, this Arconaut is the pure form. Arconaut in its pure form, the Arconaut in its pure form is not dangerous. Okay, Arconaut in its pure form is not dangerous, but it has got a plethora of medical properties. It has a plethora of medical properties, including curing ulcers, wounds, and even cancer. So I hope you are understanding, my dear friends. So it is going in its pure form. Okay, this what we say, the Arconaut in its pure form is not dangerous. Remember, very important key point, in its pure form. When Arconaut it is there in the pure form, then he is saying it is not dangerous. Remember, it is a prelims point of view, this word is important, in its pure form. If you are using this with some other thing, then it is dangerous. जब Arconaut को जब आप प्योर फॉर्म में इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, तब वो नॉट डेंजरस है. अगर से आप किसी और चीज के अंदर अगर से उसको मिक्स करके यूज कर रहे हैं या कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, देन इट मे बी डेंजरस, बट इन इट्स प्योर फॉर्म इट इज नॉट डेंजरस. And also it has a very large amount of something which is more than what is needed, that is known as plethora. Plethora is nothing but something we are going to consume in a large amount. How much it is required? Okay, it is having more than what we are expecting. So it has all these benefits, plethora of medical properties, and also it is helping to cure some other diseases also. Okay, I hope you have understood this. And also it is going to reduce the cancer effects. Now let me just have a brief note about what is Arconaut. Okay, till now we are discussing this word, right? Arconaut. No, what exactly this? See children, it is used as a chewing nut. उसको हम बोलते हैं सुपारी. Okay, कन्नड़ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆ ಅಡಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಪಾನ್ ಸುಪಾರಿ. Yeah, that is nothing but सुपारी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? chewing nut. It is popularly known as betel nut. Okay, remember, usually we call that as betel nut or supari. We also call that as supari. Okay, Arconaut is nothing but a chewing nut, or betel nut or supari. In India, we are using this. In India, we are using in so many like in tradition, some traditions, in traditional way we are using this, in cultures, festivals. Okay, festivals, some occasions, in some occasions, and some in religious practices. In religious practices, so many various ways, or in various cultures we are using this Arconaut. And remember, India is the, this is very important in prelims point of view. In prelims point of view, this is very important. Okay, India is the largest producer. India is the largest producer of Arconaut. India is the largest producer of Arconaut, and also largest consumer. This is very important. This is very important, my dear friends. You should know this. Arconaut is produced in India. Okay, it is the largest producer as well. It is the largest consumer. As you can see, the places: Karnataka, it produces around 40%. Kerala, it produces around 25%. Assam, it produces around 20%. And even some parts in Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya and West Bengal. Okay, in these are the places it produces Arconaut. And remember, Arconaut has been allegedly associated with ill effects of human health, so it is regarded as carcinogenic. It is regarded as carcinogenic. Very important. As per the prelims point of view, this word is important. Arconaut is considered, or it is regarded as carcinogenic. What do you mean by carcinogenic? It means one which causes cancer. One which causes cancer. Okay. It is kind of a medicine, or it is kind of a treatment, or it is kind of a substance which helps in the treatment of cancer. I hope this information you have got. So let me have just a glance about the things what we have discussed till now. So Arconaut, it is going to arrest the growth of cancer cells, and it is being done the research in Winship Cancer Institute of Emory University, Atlanta, the US. Okay, so here they have reported that Arconaut consists of alkaline hydrobromide, and alkaline hydrobromide, it is having an enzyme which named as ACAT1. So this will helps in the cancer cell proliferation and tumor growth in mice. And then it having an antioxidant which is helping in the repairment of the DNA which has got damaged in the cancer cells. And if you are going to consume Arconaut in the pure form, it is not dangerous, and also it has various functions, or it also having the various plethora of medical properties, and also it is going to cure ulcers, wounds, and also even cancer. In India, it is called as supari or betel nuts. Okay, so remember, India is the largest producer and also the consumer of this, and major states cultivating this crop, that is Karnataka, Kerala, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya, and West Bengal. And remember, so Arconaut is considered as carcinogenic, one which causes cancer. I hope you all have understood about this Arconaut and what are the properties and functions of the Arconaut and how it is helpful, okay, in our daily life. Wish you all the best of luck. Share this video as much as possible to get this still more updates about your current affairs daily wise. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and select the notification, the bell icon, all. Okay. Thank you. Keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.